Hi, my name is Sarah. And today I want to share something very real with you. How I started learning English alone. No classes, no teacher, just me. And a little bit of hope. I remember the first time I tried to watch a movie in English. No subtitles. I didn't understand anything. It felt impossible. But I told myself, don't give up. Try again tomorrow. I started small. I chose one sentence every day. Just one. And I repeated it. Again and again. On the bus, in the kitchen. Before sleep. Example. I'm going to the supermarket. Then I imagined myself saying it in real life. At the store. With my kids. Or with a tourist in my city. That's how it started. The second thing I did? I stopped being shy. Yes, I made mistakes. Yes, people laughed. But I laughed too. Because I knew that every mistake was a step forward. Here's something I believe. Confidence is more important than grammar. Speak. Speak. Even if your English is broken, just speak. Then I made a daily habit. 15 minutes a day. Not more. I chose a shadowing video. I listened. I paused. I repeated out loud. Sometimes with a cup of tea. Sometimes while folding clothes. But always with love. Now, people ask me, how did you learn to speak like this? And I smile. Because the truth is simple. Consistency. Curiosity. And believing that I'm capable. So if you're learning English right now, and you feel slow, and tired, and unsure, please don't stop. You're not too late. You're not too old. And you are not alone. Every word you learn is a key to a new door. Keep going. Even if it's just one sentence a day. I'm Sarah, and this was my little English story. If you liked it, I'll share more tips next time. Don't forget to breathe, smile, and repeat after me. I believe in myself.